Hi, my name is Tony Messina, and by putting my ideas and inventions on the internet, I'm documenting that these ideas and inventions originated with me. Alright, to demonstrate the lift rigging that I'm going to show you, I had to build a mock-up of the attic. I've got this stand here that's portable. I can wheel this around, and it's simple. It's just y'all open it up and you've got a piece of the attic with a pull-down hole. Okay, this area right here is the size of a pull-down door in an attic. And if the pull-down door is attached at this end and the stairs go that way, this section of the pull-down door can be used to bring up various items. Various items that I'm going to show you right now with some of the lift rigging that I manufacture. Okay, what you see here is the portable commercial version of the EZKwiklift. The EZKwiklift is a portable stand that contractors can use to set up next to a condenser, for instance, to pull up a compressor out of a condenser. It can also be carried up an attic through the pull down. This stand represents a pull down door area in an attic. It can also be brought into an attic and erected to pull equipment up in the attic. Okay? This particular stand is a commercial portable stand because the legs are designed to attach to it for ease of carrying around as a handle. What we'll do is what you do to set it up is take your 30-inch leg. We got one 30-inch leg, and we have a 50-inch leg right here, 50-inch. It comes equipped with the parts that it takes to set this up in most any situation that a contractor can come across. First, loosen the thumb screws. Set this in to a distance that's suitable for your situation. Fully adjustable. Everything on it's fully adjustable. We're going to take the foot, put the foot under the end that went through. Leave this end. Tighten the thumb screw down. Okay, once you get it set up like you need to suit your situation, you can set in some screws to hold it down. These are 1.25" sheetrock screws. They go into wood really nice. They're quartz thread, and they'll hold this stand right where it's at. It's not going to move. Good. Stand's anchored. Stand weighs 33 pounds to carry around. That's what you're carrying around, a 33-pound stand. And here we have the manual winch that'll go with this. It's a contractor's winch because it's got the adjustable boom. The boom adjusts. This is a really fine lifting winch here. When the load is suspended, you can let go of the handle and it won't unravel on you. It's got a brake. It's a really nice winch. Here's the winch brake. Take this, unthread the winch brake here. Put the winch on. Tighten the brake. Put it where you want it. Tighten the brake. You're ready. You're ready to lower down right now. Lower down to pick your load up. Bring it up. When you bring your load up, you'll loosen your brake. Pull your load over. Set it down. That easy. That's all there is to it. Okay, we also have an electric winch, electric motor winch, contractor's boom here, the adjustable boom. Okay, this is contractor tool. We're going to mount this. Take a look at it on the EZKwiklift stand. Attach the boom brake. Plug the winch in. Gonna let it out. Remote. We have a remote switch with the new winches. The new electric winches actually have a remote switch. I don't have that in this demonstration, but the one you will get will have the remote switch. You won't have to have this. It'll have this, but you'll also have a remote switch. So just keep that in mind. Your adjustable boom, you can extend out to a maximum length, and you can bring it back up, go down, pick your load up, and pick it up. Okay, that's a demonstration of using the vertical winch here. I also attach this winch horizontally for either the commercial or the home version. The home version only has this horizontally. The motor, the winch motor, is going to be sideways. You'll see in the residential version of the EZKwiklift. But for contractors, I wanted to provide it in the vertical position, making it more compact in an attic. In an attic, when a contractor goes into different attics, he can encounter different beams and boards in certain situations that if this was sticking out of the side horizontally, it may get in the way. Here, it's more likely not to be in the way of anything, so we keep it as compact as possible. And as to the manual winch, that's the whole point of the way the winch is designed. It's embedded within the boom. It's suspended within the boom, and so it doesn't take up any space. Very compact. This is exactly the kind of equipment you need for lift rigging you need for hauling equipment up and down in attics. Okay, the manual rig weighs 17 pounds. Okay. Okay, the electric rig weighs 25 pounds. Okay, you're going to be carrying this up in an attic. It's going to be 25 pounds. Okay. Okay, this EZKwiklift commercial rig is adjustable in height. It'll go from a boom at 4 feet to the boom at 6 feet. It has a 2-foot rise. So you could be, if you had the room, you had the ceiling was out of the way, you'd be able to use this at a height of 6 feet, a 6-foot boom, if you had to. Some pieces of equipment can be that long. Water heaters can be long, and this can be used for water heaters as well. So this commercial rig can be used for a variety of ways, variety of positions, a variety of things. Okay, notice on the contractor's rig here, I've got 3-inch increments for you to telescope up and down. On the home version that I sell, I don't have that kind of incremental telescoping. Yeah, theirs will only be 3 foot, 4 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, or 6 foot. This one here will go increments of 3-inch, the same distance, from a 4-foot boom to a 6-foot boom, and 3-inch increments. Okay, so So the contractor's rig is set up, it's designed for getting in those tight spaces and then optimizing every inch you can in the height to get things up, okay? Okay, as you see here, the EZKwiklift can also be put on this corner. This commercial version of the EZKwiklift can be put on any corner of the roof. If you're in a big attic, you can put it across the pull-down area itself even. But you can see here that it can be set up to boom this way, or it can be set up so that the boom moves in this direction. Bring the load up and go this way with it. So it can be universally mounted anywhere. It's a very fine lifting rig. Alright, what I'm going to demonstrate now here is the attachment of the double bulldog bike lift rig on a piece of equipment. Here we have a rather older furnace. The older styles are bigger and bulkier than the later models. The units that we put in now are far smaller than this. They're shorter and more compact and more efficient. However, this big and bulky system can be pulled up and down through the pull down. So we're going to attach this double bulldog right here. You'll notice this double bulldog bike lift rig is designed to expand for the width of any size unit that you're going to take up. The point to make about it is that the rig itself doesn't extend over the unit and have to be make it wider to get through the hole you're going through. You don't want your lift rig to be bigger than your unit. You want it to be smaller and as compact as it can be to take care of tight spaces. We have 3 different rings here to give you a chance to try to take the one that's most centered. So what we're going to do here now is I'm looking at the rig centered on a piece of equipment. Looks right about here, is just about center. This rig is also known as a straight up rig. This rig will take a piece of equipment straight up through the pull down hole, okay? It's not like trying to go up with it and you've got to deal with it rocking on you or moving, shifting. This rig will hold the piece of equipment straight up and down, going straight up. Okay, get in there. The way this grips this lip, it takes the lip in the shape that it's in and it clamps down on the lip itself. This is considered an S lip. Has a shape, an S shape, okay? That's pretty tight. That rig is not going anywhere. What we're going to do, just to give you a mock demonstration, we're going to attach the hoist to it here. We're going to lift this up a couple of inches that we can get it here to give you a demonstration. It's free floating now. See? Lower it back down. Okay, I've raised the boom and I'm going to now pick this piece of equipment up. I'm going to lower the hook. I'm going to pick it up. Release your boom brake. Swing it around. You got your equipment up in the attic. Pick your old piece up, swing it around. Brake. And lower. Quick and easy as that. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate using the electric winch to do this real quick. First you take the boom brake off. Take the manual winch off. Grab your electric winch. Plug it in. Okay. The electric winch that we, like I've said before, that we're going to use with this system is going to have a remote switch. So you're going to be able to work this with a remote switch, which will be really nice. Right now what we're using the up-down button that comes with it at the end of the cord. And what we'll do first is cut out a little of it. We're going to adjust the boom out. Point about here. Looks like that might be just about it. And that's just about right. Tight. Good. Sounds like a starter for a motor to me. More. Loosen the brake. We'll loosen the brake. We're going to swivel it around. That easy. That easy. Your piece of equipment's in the attic. Lower it down. Move it out of the way. Bring the old piece of equipment. Swivel this around. Set our brake so we can stay in position. Alright. Lower it down. That's it. For storage, I try to put the hook in the end and don't bring it too tight, just bring it snug and you'll be fine with it like that. Okay, I want you to notice that this right angle at the base here for holding the legs in can be positioned in any direction here on this corner. You can make this boom swing this way or you can make the boom swing that way. And over here on this corner you can do the same thing, it's just the positioning of this. You can position it one way or the other. The boom's going to either swing this way or it's going to swing the load this way. So there's so much universality with it that you can do anything in an attic. You can even position it on the other side of the furnace here across the pull down if you've got enough room. We're going to take a look at that. Okay, now notice how I've got the rig set up. Okay, here's the hole for the pull down door. The door goes down that way. Okay, the stairs are going from this point here down to the ground. Your load's over there. It's going to come up through the hole here. Your load is only this wide, so it happens to be that you can't set the rig up on either one of these corners for one reason or another, but you can straddle it like this. So now watch what happens when we put the piece of equipment here for coming up. Okay, we're going to be able to pick this piece of equipment up through the hole, and we're going to be able to boom it this way. You really don't have to boom it in any direction. You can just turn a piece of equipment at a right angle to the hole, and you got it in the attic. So really we're just trying to get this thing up. If this piece of equipment was 8 feet lower on the ground, that's what we'd be doing, pick it up. boom brake. Go ahead and shift on us. Looks good. What do we got here? Okay. At that point, it's in the attic. You can turn it at an angle, right angle like this, and you're in the attic. That's it. Easy as that.